In this video, I will show you how to add games to Google Sites. Go to Google Sites and open the website where you want to add the game. Now, open ChatGPT or any code generator. Ask for an embed code for a game. You will usually receive a sample code. Inside that code, you will see a part saying replace this with the URL of the game. Now, click on copy code to copy the entire embed snippet. Go back to your Google Site Editor, click on Embed under the Insert tab, select Embed Code and press Ctrl V to paste the code. Now, open a new tab and search for the game you would like to embed. Copy the URL of the game from the address bar. Return to the Google Sites Embed window. Replace the placeholder text in the code with the game URL you just copied. Click Next to preview the embedded game. Once you confirm the game appears correctly, click Insert. That's it. Your game is now successfully embedded into your Google site. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.